During summertime, the water temperature inside the tanks increases to high levels, making it hard to use the water for daily applications. Silent Power invented the solar water tank cooler to solve this problem by using only the power of sunlight and without requiring any batteries or other outsourced electricity. The device works by pulling the hot water from the water tank and passing it through special cooling pads. The high-torque fans speed up the heat exchange between the air and water, and then the cold water goes to the device spare tank. To filter the dust and not letting it enter the water tank, the pure cold water goes down to the tank and stays on its bottom because of the heavy density of the cold water, while the hot water goes up because of its light density. The operation will repeat continuously, guaranteeing fresh water all day long, and will also keep it at night due to the wide heat capacity of the water. Besides the advantage of having fresh water for 24 hours, there are no other costs for outscore electricity line or backup batteries.